Good morning, class 2 children. Let us start English Literature, Chapter 3, Farmer Ben's Boot. Farmer Ben had a farm, and on that farm he had 17 cows, 46 sheep, 39 goats, 62 geese, 49 white hens, and a big red rooster. Rooster means an adult male bird, a fowl. A dozen pigs, a couple of horses, 3 cats, a dog called Zinka. What a lot of animals! Farmer Ben was a busy man. He had no time to stand around. He was busy from early in the morning till late at night. The whole day he was busy. Everywhere that Farmer Ben went on his farm, Zinka followed closely behind. Zinka, that dog, always followed him. In the morning, Zinka ran to the gate to get the newspaper for Farmer Ben. Then, when Farmer Ben had drunk his first cup of tea for the day, Zinka would get his boot. That means in the morning first, Zinka went to the gate and bring that newspaper for Farmer Ben. Then after drinking a cup of tea, Zinka would get his boots. Farmer Ben had a smart pair of brown boots. He wore them all day. They kept his feet warm and dry. You could always tell where Farmer Ben had been because there were footprints everywhere. That boots were so heavy. When he is walking somewhere, that footprint of that boots stamped there. One day, Farmer Ben sat drinking his tea. He was waiting for Zinka to bring him his boots, but Zinka was nowhere to be seen. That means Zinka went somewhere. Zinka, Zinka, he called. And after ages, Zinka came. She was carrying only one boot. No, now, where is the other one? Asked Farmer Ben. Zinka sat in front of him with one paw on his knee. Her tail wagged. Farmer Ben looked all over the house for his boot. Zinka looked too, but she could not find it anywhere. Farmer Ben looked very funny that day. He walked with a boot on one foot and a shoe on other. Boot is heavier than a shoe. So what he will do? 1 foot boot, one boot he got, and another foot, another one a shoe. Now go and find my other boot, said Farmer Ben to Zinka. That means he didn't find, so he ordered Zinka, that dog, to find it from somewhere. Zinka ran off to ask the other animals if they had seen Farmer Ben's missing boot. Zinka went to the field. Have you seen Farmer Ben's boot? She asked the horses. Nay, nay, they said. We haven't. That means the sound of horse is called neigh, N-E-I-G-H. They didn't see. Zinka asked the cows, have you seen Farmer Ben's boot? No, said the cows, swishing their tails. Swishing means move from one side to another side. In this way, they are swinging their tails. That means here is no, the sound of cows is called moo, M-O-W. M-O. Zinka ran over to the pigsty and asked the pigs. Pigsty, the place where pigs are kept. Have you seen Farmer Ben's boot? No, wink, no, wink, they grunted. That means sound of a pig is called grunt. And went back to their feed. Farmer Ben went hopping all over the farm, leaving funny footprints in the mud. Sketch, sketch, squitch. Zinka didn't. That means one sound that Farmer Ben footprints on the mud in the muddy places. Farm though there is muddy places and footprints are there, and one special sound is there. Zinka did not give up. She went to see the hens Have you seen Farmer Ben's boot? She asked. They did not answer. They went on scratching. Then Jinka asked the 46 sheep, the 39 goats, and 62 geese, and the large red rooster. Rooster means male goose, male bird, fowl. But they all said the same thing. We have not seen Farmer Ben's boot. Now let us get on with eating, please. Zinka was worried. No one had seen Farmer Ben's boot. Where could it be? Where could it be? Have you seen Farmer Ben's boot? Zinka asked the cats. No, said the first cat. No, said the second cat. Well, perhaps, said the third cat. It is funny you should ask. I was in the barn looking for mice in the morning. Barn means a large building on a farm used for animals or to store things. That means store, one store, and that my third cat is waiting to catch the mice. There were no mice there, but I did see a brown boot. Zinka did not wait. She ran to the barn, and sure enough, there was the boot. Zinka picked up the boot and rushed up to find Farmer Ben's. That means Zinka got that boot. Now he is finding Farmer Ben. How happy he was to see his boot again. What a good girl you are, said Farmer Ben. He took the boot from Zinka and patted her. That means telling you are a good girl, etc. I shall sit down right now. I put it on, said Farmer Ben. So Farmer Ben sat down and took off his shoe. Then he put the boot on. But oh dear, as Farmer put on his boot, he jumped up in the air. That means Farmer Ben was very happy, so he jumped. Aye, he shouted and hopped about the air. That means jumping. Hop means like the frog hopping. Farmer Ben kicked the boot off. It went flying high up in the air. Farmer Ben fell and landed in the mud with a thud. That means making a sound and fell on the mud. The boot landed with a thud in the mud right next to Farmer Ben. He was falling down to the mud. Boot also after beside him fallen down and make a sound. And holding on to Farmer Ben's toes were 5 baby white mice. That means they fallen down and there were white mice. 5 small baby mice is there. Poor white mice, they would have to find another home now. Written by Nicholas Horsburgh.